Hello everyone, my name is Gardner. I'm an orthodontist in Richmond, Virginia, and here we are at the wonderful Glow Beach. And I was just going to take a stroll on the beach and tell you about why I am such a big fan of Kaleidoscope. So I was lucky enough to have Natalie Rochelle join me as a partner. And when she did, we were working with a company that was helping us with our SEO. And I used to always be at the top one or two positions and when it comes to Google reviews. And when Natalie joined us, the company that we worked with at the time didn't make all the connections, and in terms of everything you need to do to get your SEO worked out appropriately. And because of that, we lost the spot. We weren't even on like the third page. We were as far back as you could go. Apparently, Google didn't recognize us as a real business, and so it was such a pain. We waited, and the company said it's just because of the changeover. And so we decided to just give them a little time and see if they could help catch up with that. And they never did. After 3 months, 6 months, even 8 months, we decided we needed to make a change. And so we went to the AEO, and I heard about Kaleidoscope being the best with SEO. And so sure enough, they were. In a couple of months, we were back up to a really great position. Now we're right at the top again in terms of the geolocator, and we've made such progress. And it's not just with the SEO, it's also just working with them with marketing and everything. They're extremely professional, to the point. They just get things done, and a great company to work with. So I highly recommend them, and hope you get a chance to work with them. All right, have a great day.